10 steps to extend your laptop's battery life. Step 1. Adjust power setting. To adjust power setting, right-click on Power and click Power and Sleep Settings. Enable Always Use Energy Saver. Adjust Time to turn off screen and screen sleep for both options. On plugged in use ... and on battery use. Don't be set long time to turn off screen and sleep, it wastes the energy. Then, we're going to adjust the brightness. Right-click on Desktop, click Display Settings, and decrease the brightness. Step 2. Manage background processes. Close or exit programs or applications which you are not using. Keep only programs which you are working on. Then, go to Disable Auto Startup Apps. Right-click on Taskbar, click on Task Manager. Click on Startup Apps. Disable apps which no need to auto start up when Windows starts. By select App and click Disable. Stop unnecessary services. Step 3. Optimizing hardware usage. Go to Setting. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Disable Bluetooth if it is enabled. Disconnect USB drive or external drive when you finished copy. Next, disable Wi-Fi or enable airplane mode when you no need the internet. Step 4. Keep your laptop cool. Don't put your laptop on pillow or mattress when you are using. Make sure hot air diffuse through vents. Clean dust from vents. Avoid using your laptop when high temperatures. Step 5. Update softwares and drivers. Update softwares and drivers to latest version. Go to Setting, Windows Update. Check for update. After finished update, then restart your laptop. Step 6. Calibrate your battery laptop. Discharge when the battery is 100%. Don't always keep charge when using. Step 7. Avoid extreme battery levels. Don't overcharge battery. When the percentage is 100%, you should unplug the charger. When the battery remain is lower 20% or 30%, you should plug in to charge battery. Step 8. Use the right charger. Please use the original charger from manufacturer. Approved chargers. Don't use the low-quality charger or non-certified charger. It can harm your laptop's battery life. Step 9. Store your laptop properly. If you store your laptop for long time, you should charge battery around 50% and turn it off. And store it in a cool place and dry. Don't store it under sunlight or freezing conditioner. Step 10. Consider battery replacement. Check the battery health. How to check battery health? Press Window R. Input CMD. Press Enter key. Type command on screen. Press Enter key. Copy link to paste in browser by selecting and enter. Open browser and paste link and enter. please see the option Installed batteries. The design capacity is the capacity from manufacturing, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of battery. If the full charge capacity is very lower than design capacity, means that the battery health is not good. If the battery low capacity, you should consider replace new battery. For replacement battery, you should choose the high quality of battery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.